This quick video is going to show you how you can quickly archive and unarchive your chats in WhatsApp. So this is useful if you want to hide some of the chats without deleting them. And the process is absolutely the same for both iPhone and Android devices. But before we start with this video, if you're new here, please consider subscribing to our channel for more similar tutorials like this one. The first step is to open our application, and then I'm going to navigate over to the Chats section. This is the page where you can see all of your WhatsApp conversations. And if you want to archive a conversation with someone, or in this case, I'll archive a group chat, just swipe over that conversation from the right to the left, and then you're going to see this archive option. Just tap on that, and your chats will be moved to the archive section. They won't be deleted, and they will be hidden from the main chat list. If you need to unarchive that chat and get it back, then look for this archive option that's at the top of our screen. If you don't see that button, then swipe from the top towards the bottom. Tap on Archived, and that will open a list of all the different chats which you had archived before. Just swipe one more time, tap on Unarchive, and that's it. These are the steps of archiving and unarchiving chats in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, everyone.